County in south-central Mississippi, southern Copiah County in central Mississippi, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Blue Hill, or 12 miles east of Fayette, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pleasant Hill around 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Allen around 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Fayetteville around 6:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Vaughan around 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lloyd Star around 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Brookhaven around 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wesson and Beauregard around 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued